मेरे ट्यूशन से और आज सब लोगों से बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट और शेयर मार्केट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो IREDA Q3 नेट प्रॉफिट जो Q3 का रिजल्ट के बारे में आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा है। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो IREDA Q3 नेट प्रॉफिट जंप्स 38% to 585 crore nil, surged 35% at 898 crore, while disbursements jumps 32% to 9,860 crore from 7,449 crore. In October-December financial year 2025, the net worth increased to 13,537 crore from 9,842 crore, a 38% raise. State-owned Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited on Friday, January 9, reported as 37.5% year-on-year increase in net profits for the quarter ended December 31, 2025. Q3 financial year 2026 rising to 584.9 crore from 425.4 crore in the same period last year. The company revenue from operations surged 38% to 1,140 crore from 1,699 crore in the same period a year ago. Net interest income nil grew 34.8% to 897.5 crore, compared with the 665.8 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. The company's CMD Pradip Kumar Das said IREDA's strong financial performance the quarter reflected our commitment to the accelerating India's renewable energy transition. The growth in loan disbursements, net worth and profitable underscores the trust placed by our stakeholder. The company's loan book rose 28% Q3 to 87,975 crore from 68,960 crore in the year ago quarters. While disbursement jumps 32% to 9,860 crore from 7,449 crore in October-December financial year 2025. The net worth increased to 13,537 crore from 9,842 crore, a 38% raise. The company has already disclosed some of its key business metrics in the update shared on January 1 this year. As per the latest update, IREDA's loan book grew by 27.6% from the last year to 87,975 crore, which is marginally lower than 31% at which is the loan book grew in the first half of this fiscal. IREDA disbursement grew by 44.5% during the first 9 months of the year to 24,903 crore, while sanction grew by 29%. Both these metrics grew by 54% and 86% in the first half respectively. Shares of India Renewable Energy Development Agency Ltd ended at 1,137.10, down by 4.08 or 2.89% on the BSE. Thank you.